Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to take a normal thumb drive and install a copy of Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Home installation media, so then you can install Windows 10 on any computer. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Microsoft.com website or just Google Windows 10 download installer. You're going to create a Windows 10 installation media, so you're going to download their tool. So wait for that to download. Once that's done, go ahead and run it. And you're going to get the pop-up here in just a minute. Alright, once that gets done loading, you're going to get the agree to terms of service, hit accept. Wait for that to load again. Alright, so we're not going to be upgrading this PC. You're going to want to hit create installation media on a USB flash drive, or this could be on a DVD if you're still doing that. So click on that, hit next. It depends on what you're installing, if it's a 64-bit or if you don't know, you hit both. If you don't know if it's a 64-bit processor or 32-bit, most of the newer PCs are all 64-bit. Of course, Windows 10, your language. So I know mine's 64-bit, so we're going to go ahead and hit next. Usually 64-bit's fine, so you can go ahead and select that. Now it's going to tell us, okay, if the ISO is usually for DVDs and it's got the function for USB flash drive, which is what we're going to use, and make sure it's at least I like to use a 16 gig. It says 8 gig, but 16 gig to be on the safe side. So go ahead and click on the USB flash drive option, and we just plugged our flash drive in. So that is drive E. So hit next. And now it's going to start downloading the installation files. So let's let this go through this process real quick. This could take, I mean, depending on your internet speed, you can see them at 1%, not 2%, but it can take anywhere from, I've seen it take 15 minutes, and I've seen it take almost 2 hours. It just really depends on your internet speed. But it looks like I'm going pretty quick here. Okay, now that it has the files downloaded, now it's going to be doing the creation onto the USB thumb drive. So this could take, like another 15 minutes or so. So just let this run, and it's almost done. Alright, so now you're going to get this screen when your flash drive is all done. So let's say your USB flash drive is ready to go. Go ahead and hit finish. Now you can safely remove the thumb drive. Right now, just clean up some of those installation files. So now take that thumb drive out of your computer, and you're ready to plug it in that new computer, whether it be an Intel NUC you just got done building, or maybe you just want to reinstall Windows 10 on another laptop or a PC that you just need to do a fresh install on. You're ready to go. It's just that simple.